Let's learn how you can try to delete your Facebook account without password. I don't guarantee this will succeed because it's not up on me, it's up on the Facebook customer support. What you can do is to go on Facebook application and now go to your profile, random URL profile, click on three dots and click on report profile. What do you want to report? Something about this profile, pretending to be someone, me, and report something that goes against community standards. Just click on submit and that's it. Now what else you can try? You can go to help and support, report a problem, or go to help center and tell the customer support that this is your new account and that you forgot your old account, and they will try to help you to bring back or delete your old account if you have something that you don't want to have there. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.